Then in year 4, they learn that they are not just for verbs. So adverbs don't only describe verbs. They also describe adjectives and other adverbs. And they describe how something is done, when something is done, how often something is done, how much it is done, and where it is done. So, for example, how it could be done is it could be done elegantly, hungrily, gladly, noisily. How often is it done? It's done monthly, hourly, daily, yearly, never, or regularly. Or how much is done? A lot, a little, always, or frequently. And where is it done? At home, in the kitchen, behind the door, whatever. Okay, so things are done in different ways. So then adverbs are used to describe how something is done, and that's the way they are described. So in year 4, the types of adverbs, we've got time adverbials. An adverb is a word, usually a single word. An adverbial is more of a phrase. So it's an adverbial phrase. So we can have the adverb yesterday or tomorrow, or we could have the adverbial next year. Adverbs, adverbials, they're used interchangeably. They're pretty much the same thing. So when something is done, it is done. It was done yesterday. It was done. It can be done tomorrow. It can be done next year. Place adverbials: at school, in the garden, later, inside, outside. Then there's quality and quantity. It can be done a little, can be done a lot, constantly, frequently, occasionally. Oh, there's a spelling mistake there. Just correct that. Oh. Okay. Right, there we go. Everyone, my name is Sabina and I've been a teacher for 30 years, and I also tutor children for their SATS, their 11 plus, and teach GCSE foundation level English and math. I have a parent teacher group and I answer all your questions in there, and you get access to this video and other videos that I've done so that you can refer back to them in that group too. I do 3 of these sessions a week, which last on the platform for about a week, and then I take them off and then they get archived into the group. So if you want to join the group, then the link and the details are in the description below. So come and join the group and then I'll happily answer any questions that you have. I also have a free parent teaching magazine, which goes out every month. So if you would like access to that delivered free to your inbox, then sign up. The details are also in the link with this description.